every time studying. Did you say something? No, nothing. But I have one thing to show you. What? Something interesting? Yeah, you can say. Okay, then show. Okay. See. 4. Sumit, why you brought this phone? For fun? Hey, keep this phone. Otherwise, if ma'am will see us, then they'll punish both of us. No, ma'am will not see us. Hey, but you know that exam is on our head and the midterm exam will depend for this year. I said you know that I don't like studying and I am so smart that I would study in 3 days and it's a full 30 days, 1 month. So our portion is also very big, na? No, I'll study two subjects in 1 day, okay? Okay, your choice. My God, what will be the result? What will be the result? Let's see. Yes. First rank! Yay! I got first rank! Hey, let's ask Sumit. Where he gone? Sumit! Oh no, he came, run! Sumit? Why are you hiding? Oh, I am in hurry. I need to go to home. Why you need to go home, huh? Because I am in hurry. Okay. Wait. Let you say my the score. What is your score? My score? I top in my class. Oh, wow. So, you said the score. Bye. Hey, wait. You haven't said your score? Okay, you are my best friend, so I'm saying that I failed. You failed? But you said that you will study in 3 days, 1 day, 2 subjects. Yeah, that time I was very overconfident. That's why you shouldn't be very overconfident. Yeah, you are right. But Sumit, don't worry. Final term exam is still left. Oh yeah, you're right. Yes, but you need to study from today. Yeah, I'll start study from today. Okay, we'll study together. At evening 7 o'clock, you'll come to my house. Okay, I'll come to your house for studying. Okay then, meet you at 7 p.m. Bye. Bye.
Son, wake up. Have you seen the time? It's 7. Your bus will arrive in just 30 minutes. Come on, wake up. Yeah. Mama, you have waken me too early. I have not slept well. Are you serious? It's 7. Your bus will arrive in after 30 minutes. Come on, be ready. Okay, Mommy. Yes. Have you done your homework? Yes, Mama, I have. Oh. Okay, now get ready. Okay, Mama. Son, you have arrived home? Yes, Mama, I have. Your friends has called me and tell today was the exam? Yes, Mama, it was. Okay, where is the report card? Now show me. Report card. Come on, show me. Okay, Mama, here we go. What is this, son? You have failed in every subject. Yes, Mama. What is, Mama? You have failed in every subject. Now what should I do? Sorry, Mama. I have tried my best to... Okay. Why are you trying your best? I have to tell you. Because your bad manners, you always watch mobile, TV. You stick with them. That's why you have got such a bad manners. Sorry, Mama. I will try my best next time. I will forgive you, but what will happen to your father? He will be very disappointed with you. Sorry, Mama, I try my best to do this. Okay, not an issue. Now, promise me that from today onwards, you will focus in your studies. Yes, Mama, I will. Let's go. We have to find the mouse trap. Oh my God, she's downstairs only. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Son, what are you doing? Have you seen the time? It's 10 p.m. of the night. May I remind you, tomorrow you have to go to school. Please, Mother, let me play. I'll sleep after 10 minutes. It's very important for me. Let's go. No, she will come. What are you doing? Go to your bed now. No, Mother, I can't go now. Otherwise, she will caught me. Oh, no. I'm very disappointed to you. I said no. And have you done your homework? Mama. Tomorrow that subject, I don't think that tomorrow Mom will check that subject. So I have not done. Maybe I can do that in school. Oh, if you will do it in the school, in the periods, then what you will study? How do you know what man has taught? Now only do your homework and go to bed. Okay. Wait, give me your phone right now. Okay, here we go. Now go to your bed and do not forget to do your homework. Son, wake up. Have you seen the time? It's 7. Your bus will arrive in just 30 minutes. Come on, wake up. Yeah. Mama, you are waking me too early. I have not slept well. Are you serious? It's 7. Your bus will arrive in after 30 minutes. Come on, be ready. Okay, Mommy. Yes. Have you done your homework? Yes, Mama, I have. Oh. Okay, now get ready.